So kung kung ito yung gumagawa ng ganyan, ang ulna naman na nakasaksak dyan, ito yung that allows you to do this. So, ngayon, it's so easy to determine the laterality kasi, so alam nyo na lateral ito, no? Sa labas ito. No? And this is the articular surface, no, with the ulna. So all you have to do is to, but this is proximal, no? Proximal is closer to the body, and this is distal. So you have proximal, and this is lateral, but this one is the ulnar articulation. So it should be, dahil sa loob ang ulna, then this should be medial. But the spinous process is posterior and lateral. So, alam mo na ito ay kaliwa. Ulna, this attaches with the humerus. Alam natin na sa posterior ito ng humerus. So kung alam mo na ito ay proximal, this one is distal, and this is the radial nuts, the articulation with the radius, at alam natin na lateral ang radius, so kailangan sa labas ito. Kaya hindi siya dyan. Kasi kung hindi, nandito sa loob ang radius. So ibig sabihin, anterior, kasi dito siya nakakabit, lateral, distal, distal and posterior. So this is left. And then, when I was studying this, I would always come in at, normally would come into the lab past midnight. Switch on the light, would play my music as loud as I can, and then would study the bones. And then I would switch off the light, and you just feel the bones. And actually, especially the archaeological materials, bones that fragmentary. And sometimes it's so difficult to determine and look at the bones. And you know, it's amazing how your different filing system could help you out. You know, I would close my eyes, I would feel it, and so. Pati sa this is the carpal bones. So carpal bones, I would force my students to study this by simply palpating the bones, because it's much easier to recognize them than by simply looking at them. No? So, okay, this is hamate. No? Hamate. Ang galing ko, tatlong sunod-sunod na hamate. Direct.
Saddle sheet.
Ito na lang, mas madali mo.
Scaphoid.
Scaphoid.
Hamate. Ay! Capitate!
Capitate. Anyway, you have 8 carpal bones, And so I want you to deal with that. So you have the hamate, the capitate, the scaphoid, the lunate, the pisiform, the boot, ano nga ba yun? The boot, trapezoid. And you have trapezium, and you have triquetral. So, 8. Okay. The 5 would be easy. All you have, yung ano dito, I want you to, it's always to remember them by simply making your own mnemonics. So, I'm so good at this because I'm so good at making mnemonics, no? Ang problema, I cannot teach them to you kasi karamihan bastos.
You have to
no?
have your own. You have to have your own.
It's medyo gross and then medyo ano no bastos, no? You know bastos.
I
Yeah.
know bastos.
That's how just like let's say the 12 cranial nerves. Oh, girls V, no? And so it's always to remember at least the 4, no? The 4. Anyway, isa-isa natin. Tingnan nyo, this is lunate. And what is luna?
Moon.
Moon. So fill that one. That's the half moon, right?
Moon, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. See? So isa identified that.
So I know that one now.
Capitate.
Yeah,
What
that's
is capitate?
Head.
Head. Kapitan. So, dali, round nyo. Yo.
I don't get a
Could you
head
feel
out.
the head?
I don't get a head out of it. Oh, there's a head
Oh,
on it. Yeah.
that's capitate.
That's capital.
That's head.
Really?
Kay, kay Jesse. Oh. Feel the capitate.
The moon was easier.
Ayan, papain mo. Yung below. Mm.
May pikit-pikit pa doon.
And
Parang damang-damang.
feel na feel. And then, you might be confused with the lunate with the scaphoid. What is scaphoid? Scaphoid is
Scaphoid is
scoop. It's kutsara, no? Or spade. No?
Oh, spade. Okay.
And you have the spade and feel the handle, no? So you have the handle. So unlike, let's say, the
Yeah, that's right.
yeah, as opposed to let's say you have the lunate, no?
Yeah, the lunate.
Okay, do you see
doesn't
the
have a
difference
head
of the
on it.
lunate
Yeah,
and
doesn't have a head
the
on it.
scaphoid?
Yeah. Scaphoid has a head.
Okay, so tell me if it's a scaphoid or a lunate.
Scaphoid.
Very good. Magic. And then
That's where
you have the hamate is hammer
Hammer? Oh, okay.
Hammer.
Hammer.
because you have the handle there.
Okay.
Oops.
You're not supposed to drop
That's
that.
supposed to drop that like this.
Okay, yes,
Okay.
that's the hamate. Mm,
Hammer.
the hammer.
Scap-
And then, so how many you could already identify?
4. 3.
3.
The lunate.